thing that we have is Hey Beautiful. I didn't bring it up with the bag, but I just took the things out. So here's a few things, okay? Some of these boxes may not look amazing. Y'all chill, okay? It's just a box. You don't need the box. Later, you're going to throw the box away anyway. So take the box, toss it. Take the instructions, toss them. And take the packaging and toss it, okay? Don't worry about it. It'll be fine, okay? You're going to have your plug. You're going to have the lamp. And the bottom comes off. So don't get scared. Oh my gosh, I broke it. No, you didn't. Okay, that's how it comes. Dust it off if you need to a little bit. Plug it in, although we did check them. Plug it in, make sure it works. If it does not work, you have 3 days from the day you receive your kit to let me know. So by Monday, the Monday before school starts, I need to know if something's wrong with anything whatsoever. Okay? But it should work because we all tested them. Okay? So this is your lamp. It's not going to come to the school until I tell you to bring it. And your lamp, you're going to shuttle it back and forth from home to school. Because if you leave it, that's fine. But if someone steals it, I am not responsible for it. That's on you. But you can leave it. Some people did leave it, and it was fine. Because our students are amazing, and that's just how our students are. Okay? So, but this, I usually store it unplugged. I put my plug in here, and I put it in a zip baggie so it doesn't get messed up, or I put it in a bag of sorts, or in my wherever. Okay? So that's your lamp for your gels. The next thing that you have is your drill. Okay? Your drill, same thing. Now, let's open the drill. You have your stand, let's toss that. You have your actual drill. Let's take this out. You have your plug. You have the cap cover. You have your bits, the instructions, read them, then toss them. I toss them because I know what it says. You have your actual handpiece. Okay, so this, okay, goes in on the side. You pop it in and you slide it up till it clicks. The plug goes on which side? Let me see. On this side, it'll turn green, and then on the motor and charge. Right, the charger goes where it says charge. I take the paper off because I'm done with the paper, and this here goes here, and it has a clamp. So if you want to clamp it onto your pants or your tool belt, you can. You can also, which I always have a hard time with this part, so let me see if I'm going to be able to pop it out. You can pop this part out, and it will stand like so while you're working. Okay, if you put this here, it's top heavy and it's going to fall out. This is only for when you're going to carry it with you. Okay, if you're not going to carry it, you're going to have it on your tabletop. You can, I don't know which way it is, to be honest, but I think it's this way. You can hold it, this stand for it, so that way your drill bit doesn't touch the table. Okay, that's how it goes. You know it's on or it's active whenever, or that it has charge because it's green. When you don't see the green, it means it needs to be charged. You can use it wirelessly. Okay, when you turn the button. Okay, the numbers turn on, right? And then in class, I'll show you how to use this, but it works. Okay, forward, backward, all this stuff. Click it to turn it off, and you can store it with or without, or plugged in or unplugged. It's up to you. Okay, however you want to store it. When you do store it, I like to store it like this, so it kind of stays together. I would put a rubber band around here. Put this here as well. Put a big rubber band around all of this so it stays together. You can also get a little like a little bag or something to store it. Save these, do not lose these. I don't have extra to give you. And then also your stand. Some people don't like to stand and throw it away. That is your choice. Okay. Do not throw the box away. When I tell you bring your drill, I'm going to ask you to bring it in the box. If you want last year, you brought me your box, and I held the drill for you in the office so it wouldn't get stolen, and you left your drill here as we were using drills. if that is you, if that's what you want to do, that's great. And if not, you can haul it back and forth. But what I do ask you is that I need to unplug it. I need to unplug everything. I do ask you that you leave your box intact so that you put all your stuff in there and you bring your drill to school in the box, right? It's easier to handle, okay? You bring your drill and your lamp, you can store it above your box like so, above your kit like so, okay? So these are the two things that kind of are the biggest bulk is not going to fit in your kit. All right, let's move on to our products. Okay, we do have, look how nice, it's the first class to get this set. Super excited. Hey Beautiful was amazing to their new business partner, and it's been an amazing journey working with them. So I'm going to show you what we have, okay? You have the base gel, okay? This is, it's base gel, okay? Clear. It's bigger, the container is white. You have your primary colors, which are the red and the yellow. Blue is missing. You're going to get blue, but blue is missing. It's coming. And then you have your black and your white. Look how nice and beautiful that packaging is. I love the feel of it. Okay. So these are your basic gels. Again, you're missing the blue one. Then here, you're going to have Luminosa Luxe. Okay. This is a non-wipe UV glossy top coat. Okay, so base gel, top coat. Okay, then these are the perfect first steps from Hey Beautiful. Again, that's their brand. And this one here has instructions and a little bit about them on the back, but this is your dehydrator. Your dehydrator is going to be the white, well, it's not white, it's kind of like a clear color. The dehydrator, and then the bonder is going to be here, but they call it Ultra Bond. Okay, the balancer and the primer. Okay. I love this packaging. I would totally keep it, but you don't take it out of the packaging, okay? I hate to say that, but really take it out of the packaging because the boxes are not going to fit in your kit, okay? So we're going to take that out of the packaging. I'm not going to do that on camera, but we're going to take that out of the packaging, put this off to the side, all of this off the side, and then we're going to move on to our last video, which is the longest one. But it is the tools from the Burmax, from our Burmax business partner. Their manufacturer, and we get our tools from them. So let's move on to the next video.